how to do order of operations. Let's go! We will use PEMDAS rule to solve this problem. PEMDAS means parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Where multiplication and division go together. Same with addition and subtraction. They go together. When you see multiplication and division, we will always start from left to right. Same with addition and subtraction. We'll go from left to right. For example, 4 squared times 6 plus opening close parentheses 99 divided by 11. So, we will start off 99 divided by 11. 99 divided by 11 is 9. Then, copy. So, we will do the exponent, which is 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Then rewrite. So, 16 times 6 equals 96. Then bring down 9. 96 plus 9 equals 105. So, 4 squared times 6 plus open and close parentheses 99 divided by 11 is 105.